In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create simple formulas in Google Sheets. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's dive right into it. Creating formulas within Google Sheets is not only easy, but also incredibly helpful for managing your data efficiently. Whether you're tallying expenses, calculating averages, or simply trying to keep track of numbers, formulas will make your life a lot easier. First things first, let's select the cell where you want your calculated answer to appear. Think about which data you want to manipulate. When you've decided, go ahead and double-click on that cell. You'll know you've done this correctly because it'll become highlighted, indicating that you're ready to start entering your formula. Now that you've selected your cell, let's move on to locating the formula bar. Take a look at the top of your screen next to the X sign. This white bar is also where you'll be able to write and edit your formulas. It's a handy place to work because it gives you a clear view of everything you're inputting without overcrowding the cell itself. All right, let's get to the nitty-gritty of formula creation. To begin any formula in Google Sheets, you always start with an equal sign. So go ahead and type that in. This simple action, entering the equal sign, tells Google Sheets that you are about to enter a formula, not just plain text. Once you've typed in the equal sign, you're ready to write the command. For example, if you want to add a range of numbers together, you would type the word sum in capital letters. After typing sum, you'll want to follow this with an open parentheses. This sets the stage for the next step, where we'll specify the numbers you want to work with. Now, let's input the range of cells you need to include in your calculation. Think of the range as the area of the sheet from where you intend to pull data. For instance, if you want to add values from cells D5 to D13, you would enter that like this, D5, D13. Make sure to use a colon to separate the starting cell and the ending cell. Once you've included your desired range, you'll want to close the parentheses as well. Now you're almost there. You can almost taste that calculated answer. All you need to do now is hit the Enter key. Give that Enter button a good press, and just like that, your cell will immediately display your calculated total. It's magical, right? By using these simple steps, you can easily create your own formulas in Google Sheets to enhance your productivity and organize your data effectively. So, the next time you're crunching some numbers or running through a budget, remember these steps, and you'll be a pro in no time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.